All gods with the blessing name follows most merciful and most beneficent. Our today's video tutorial is about the activity and controls. You can see that how can we control our activity at our Gmail account. Before moving forward, I have request that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you like my video, also share it with your friends. So activity and control, the data saved in your account help to give you more personalized experience across the Google services tools. This setting will save data in your Google account so that as sphere with Google, you control which data is saved in your Google account. If you click on learn more, you will learn more about that privacy tool that you put in control. Okay. When it comes to privacy, we know one size does not fit at all. That's why we built control that is easy to use. What is the privacy tools and what is the Google search history control? Actually, you are controlling your Android mobile with the Google Map. The Google Map will assist you and make easy to access your settings. Here is also mentioned that if I move below and you focus here, here is the paragraph complete. I read it. You can find key information, privacy and security settings all in your Google account. We have created easy to use tools like dashboard and my activity. It gives you transparency over data connected from your activity across Google services. Across Google services, there are also powerful privacy control that like activity control and ad settings. The ad settings here you can see as is the we will find the key information here and the quick access your privacy settings, the what is the Google quick access to your key privacy setting. And as soon as I click here and I move below, here is the quick access to your key and privacy. uh, your Google account is always easy to find in most popular services. Your Google account is always easy in our most popular sources like searches, Map, YouTube, Gmail, and System. Just tap your profile, picture, and follow the link to your account. As soon as I click on go to your Google account, I will be toward my Google account, and after going to a Google account, I will set up all the settings. You can see here's my profile picture. Okay, I have already tell you about the profile picture setting. So that is end of our today tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also make a comment in the comment box and give your suggestion about the incoming videos. I hope you'll find my video informative and knowledgeable. If you find my video informative and knowledgeable, please subscribe it and also share it with your friends. Also share this video with your friends.